Studies show that Amazon's recommendation system, including features like frequently bought together, drive 30% of their sales. With this plugin, you can bring that same strategy to any WooCommerce store, create dynamic bundles and deals that will help you drive sales. So let's dive right in. To get this plugin, you can just go to the link in the description and go and get it. After you've downloaded and installed this plugin, the first thing it's going to look at is your order history for all your customers to create a co-occurring matrix. It's similar how AI puts together its thoughts, but this is just specialized for creating the best possible bundle of products that your customers have shown you that go well together. This is the quickest and easiest way. How you get there is just go over here to your left to Product Bundlers, Setting, and you're going to enable frequently bought together at the max amount of products you like to display, and you can enable the global discount to have a discount on all of those. So I have a fixed amount, 10, so any bundle that I create or it creates will show that 10% or fixed amount or whatever you set it to. Now, if you have a new store and you don't have any order history, that's okay because you can create a custom bundle for any product you like. Just go here to the left, products. Go ahead and select a product. And you can toggle it between custom and the AI suggested. And how you add a product. Let's go ahead and do belt. Might want a belt with your hoodie and a cap because you might want a hat. There you go. Now at this point you hit update and it will show. You can also order it in the fashion that you like it. Now hit update. Let's go ahead and view the product. And there you go. Now you can see there is some sales on the products and it shows it. And it also adds in that global $10 as well. Now once they add it to the cart, you'll see that the bundle discount is there as well as all the sales price altogether. Now there's another way to create a bundle. So let's go ahead and go back to the dashboard. You go to bundles, all bundles. Now you can see I already have one created. What this will do is it will override on any of these three items this deal. So you can create a new deal and let's call it hoodie. We'll do the same thing with the hoodie and logo. And we'll add a beanie logo as well as the belt. And then we can set its own discount. Here, let's do a fixed discount, 50, so we can see the difference. Then we can hit save bundle. Now if we go to the same thing, now if you scroll down, you can see that this has overridden our custom bundle. The purpose of this is to really create a temporary sale, or you could leave it, up to you, but this bundle will show on all these items. So if we go to the beanie, show the bundle for the beanie. If you go to the belt, we'll show for the belt. Now you can see for the belt, it's on another one and it's showing that. You can go back and set priority. Dashboard. Our bundles. And you can set the priority. So we can set this one to 1, 2. Now if we go back, now you can scroll down and see that now this one has priority and it will show over the other one. So it's extremely flexible, allows you to do many things and create your own. Now there's a whole host of changes that you can also make to the looks of this. We go back to the dashboard again. We go back to the bundler and settings. You have full control of the colors, the border style, where you would like it after they hit the add to cart button. You can go straight to the checkout page, stay on page, and redirect to cart like it currently does. Change its location of where you'd like to show, before or after product. And you can also switch it to use full self-editing. Then you can really place it wherever you like. As you see, it is flexible, easy to use, and as you see, it bundles products together well. You can do custom or have it do it for you, as well as create bundles that will override for all the products. Now, if you have any suggestions, please comment down below, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next one. Bye.